as to your point there, I just wanted to go back to about democratizing this. I think you were saying on the call you're quite comfortable with Excel. You probably could have done this without Copilot. I think that's a really interesting point, that I think some people do get a little bit scared by Excel. I personally think it's brilliant, and I probably only know 10% of the features myself, but it can save so much time, and it means you can do things yourself rather than relying on someone else to do some quick work on data. So I think that, it's for perhaps it's going to enable the people that aren't that confident in Excel and that aren't power users to be able to use these more advanced features.
Absolutely. And I remember having a conversation with somebody, and I was saying that, I don't know, every couple of weeks there might be somebody that will knock on my door and say, oh, I need your help with something, and it's sometimes to do with Excel. Somebody internal has got some data and they want to try and infer some information from it. Even without me even using Copilot, I'm potentially going to be saved time because other individuals are utilizing Copilot. I remember speaking at an end customer event to somebody who worked in an IT department at a customer, and he said, like, the number one ask for training from employees was Excel. Like, that was the application that invariably employees wanted training in. But as say, you can ask Copilot to manipulate the data based on some kind of parameters and information that you give it. You can ask it for insights. Like, one of the things I asked there was, what's our most profitable bike? Actually, there's multiple models that sit at exactly the same profit margin. I'm going to double check that, make sure I'm happy with it. But yes, there are a raft of different bikes that sit at that 36% in terms of profit margin.